Weaving in ends for fisherman's rib is super simple. It's a lot just like regular rib if you've done that before. So obviously normally you'd be using the tail of your yarn to do that, but I'm going to use this orange piece of yarn to show you. So you'll want to use the nearest column that looks like this. And you can see there are legs on both sides, and you can use either side, but I will use the right side. So you want to go underneath this bar right here, up in towards the middle, and pull through. Then we're going to go up again, the same direction, which is right to left, underneath the next one. And we just keep traveling up that way, and you can even do a couple of them at a time and pull. And see, this would disappear a lot better if it's the same color. And you can even go through this V right here if you wanted to come back around the other side. Sometimes I like to do that if I have extra. And then just clip it off, whatever excess you have, when you're done.